This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Dasher app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solution in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and then from here just search for the Dasher application. And guys, for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when Dasher have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now for the second solution is just go to your settings on your device. And then once you are on the settings, just scroll down and tap on the apps. And then over here on the apps, guys, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So I want you to do is find that Dasher over here. And once you find Dasher, just tap on it. And then from here, just tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your Dasher application. And now, if any of the solutions doesn't work, the last option that you have is reinstalling the application Dasher on your device. So first, uninstall Dasher on your app. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, guys, you should be able to have a working Dasher app on your phone. And there you go. That's how you fix your Dasher app. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!